Hey, I came to Turkey to do hair transplantation. In Turkey, the services are the best. When I arrived to Turkey, the clinic got me a transfer from the airport to my hotel, 4 stars, but in the center of Istanbul. The next day, I also got a transfer from the hotel directly to the clinic for the procedure using DHI technology. The doctor took some hair from the back of my head and put them to the affected areas. He worked with 2 great assistants. The whole procedure went smoothly, without any complications and stress for me. I didn't feel any pain except when injecting local anesthetic, and afterwards, it just felt I was wearing a helmet. And all the doctor's work was done on this helmet. I even almost fell asleep during the process. The whole thing lasted for about 6 hours, but it felt like 1 hour. And when everything was done, transfer took me back to the hotel. After anesthesia wore off and I started to feel pain, I took a pill and went to sleep. The next day I had another transfer to the clinic, where they washed my head and I was explained by doctor's assistant how to take care of the skin in the next 2 weeks. And then I'll be flying back to Moscow. Russia, bye.